What is the background story of Kapu?
Kapu began with a problem, as many startups do. And the problem is that African consumers spend 40 to 50% of their household income on food and basic essentials. Now, inflation is hard for everyone, but if food is half of your budget, then it becomes crippling. And beyond that, it becomes a blocker to social mobility. And it's this widespread problem that is addressable across the whole of Africa. So Kapu was started quietly in 2022 with a mission of bringing down the cost of living for our customers and the goal of saving $1 billion for our consumers across Africa.
Kapu is an interesting name. What was the inspiration behind it?
Kapu's name was inspired by the kikapu. That's the woven basket that we use to carry our shopping. We liked the fact that it was a simple name, it's easy to say, and it's easy to transfer to the markets that we plan to move into.
Let's talk about core values. What is one unconventional one that you go by?
One of the values that makes Kapu different is what we call our frontline DNA, and that's our term for being customer first. Now, that may not be all that unconventional, but what's unconventional about us is how committed we are to it, how deeply we live it. So we are constantly out in the field, going on delivery runs, meeting our agents and pitching them. This is one of the first things that happens in the onboarding process when you join Kapu. I remember before I even had an assigned laptop or a place to sit, meeting an agent and having him explain all the things he would love to see in our app so he could grow his business before I even stepped into our office here at Nairobi Garage.
What is the place of innovation and product development in helping to achieve the mission and vision of Kapu?
We have a big mission at Kapu, and technology and products built with technology bring efficiency that we can pass on to our customer in the form of savings. And they let us work with different models that work online and offline so that we can stay relevant to the actual way of life of our customer and meet them where they are.
What is your unique value proposition?
Kapu's unique value proposition for its customers is relevance. We are the most relevant B2C e-commerce platform for the urban majority, and that means that we offer low cost, we offer convenience, so people don't spend time as well as money doing their shopping, and we are integrated into the communities that they live. So by shopping with Kapu and saving with Kapu, then they can generate income for themselves and they can help other people save in their community with them.
What strategies do you implement to be able to tell the Kapu story to your target audience?
At present, our customers place their orders with agents who are people familiar to them in their neighborhoods, kiosk owners, owners of salons and barber shops and so on. These are the people that are part of the Kapu story that bring it to the community. Coming soon, customers will be able to order on WhatsApp and on our Android app as well. We rely heavily on word of mouth and community building both online and offline.
What do you take pride in the most as a company?
Something we are really proud of at Kapu is that we have already passed on $100,000 in savings to our customers en route to a long-term goal of saving our customers $1 billion across Africa.
What is the company culture like?
Kapu's company culture is customer obsessed, and that shows up in ways great and small. When we're making decisions, the yardstick we use is what does this mean for the customer experience? Insights from the field matter much more than insights that we come up with in the office. And when somebody shares something they've learned by talking to a customer, talking to an agent, dropping that on Slack, we all sit up, we all take notice, we all listen, and we celebrate that feedback. Kapu is also a team of owners, and that means that everybody owns the outcomes that we care about. And in a more literal sense, everybody who is a full-time employee at Kapu has shares in the company through our ESOP. Another unique thing about Kapu's culture is that we are brave. We are not shy of taking risks. We acknowledge failure when it happens and learn from it. And we trust in each other because we know we are the best placed team to get the job done.
How has your experience at Nairobi Garage been?
Our experience at Nairobi Garage has been great. Initially, we just started out doing occasional meetings as we brainstormed and scoped the ideas that were going to become Kapu. Over time, we moved into a small office and eventually moved into a larger office. It's been an excellent environment to build the company.
What does having an office in a co-working space mean to your business?
Having an office in a co-working space, and specifically Nairobi Garage, means a lot of really important things to us. It's a space that can adapt and grow as we ourselves grow. It is a place where we can be productive, creative, and inspired. So given the variety of environments at Nairobi Garage, I might start the day whiteboarding in our office, move to a booth to take a call, head out to the terrace to have lunch, and then go into a lounge for some focused work. That ability to shift from place to place makes for a much more energizing and much more productive workday.
What does the future look like for your business?
The future for Kapu is bright and focused on two key things. One is to reach more customers by expanding our coverage across Nairobi and into new markets. The second is to do more for our customers. And we want to grow the catalog, increase the variety of things they can buy with us and save money on. We also want to roll out programs like loyalty and savings that provide even more value alongside the savings they already get.
Parting shot, words of encouragement for business people watching you.
My parting shot to fellow entrepreneurs: find a big mission, an ambitious problem that you can't possibly solve on your own. Then assemble a team that is best placed to tackle that challenge alongside you.